Hello, welcome to Mary's Menagerie. Today we're going to be transforming the wooden box at the top left corner from this Goodwill haul. Thrifted Puzzle Box Transformation. I picked up this little wooden puzzle box for $2.99 at Goodwill. And I'm going to start with this Americana gel stain. After applying the gel stain, I am taking a paper towel and I am wiping off the excess. Here I'm adding a second coat of the gel stain. I ended up covering the lid and the whole box with this gel stain. I didn't show it, but I ended up painting the top of the lid with my Waverly ink paint, chalk paint. And you can see there's something underneath the black. I actually used a stencil and I didn't like the results, so that's why I painted it black. And now I've decided I am going to paint some lines on the top using this Americana acrylic paint. And now I'm adding a second coat of that paint. Now I'm going to carefully remove the tape so you can see the lines that I painted on the lid. Back to the gel stain. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the inside of the box, so I kind of got the outside done, and then I decided I'm going to go ahead and stain the inside also. And I'm actually going to put in some contact paper, but I went ahead and painted or stained the bottom of it, just so none of the lighter color would show if I didn't get the contact paper on there perfectly. I purchased some wooden beads from Dollar Tree, and I painted them black. I actually had the video of it, but for some reason it came out blurry, so I'm not including that on here. But I painted them black, and now I am using my E6000 to glue them to each corner on the bottom of the box. Now I am putting a stencil on the front and the back of the box. There was some writing on there that I could not sand off, or when I put the stain on it, it didn't cover it up. So I decided to use this Waverly chalk ink paint, and I'm going to stencil this design over. It's not going to cover it completely, but it'll make it less noticeable. After putting my paint on there, I took off the stencil and it turned out pretty good. Now I'm using a different stencil to create a design down the middle of the lid in the large brown stripe. Since the stencil wasn't long enough, I had to do it in sections. Here I'm adding the rest of the stencil, and I actually kind of messed up, and I left that part out, but you can see when I'm done after I take this off, and when I'm done at the very end of this part, you can see a little bit of brown. You can notice that, see the little bit of brown on there, but it's okay because I'm going to use this Waverly antique wax, and it'll make it where you can't see where I had to add some more brown paint. After applying the wax, I took a baby wipe and I'm wiping off the excess wax. Now I'm going to add the Waverly Antique Wax to the rest of the box. My next step is to take this Elmer school glue, and I'm going to fill in the holes in those wooden beads on the bottom, just so I can paint it, and I won't have little holes on the bottom. I know no one's going to see it, but I'll know it's there. The next step was to take the contact paper that I got from Dollar Tree, and I cut it to fit each of the inside boxes, and then I'm peeling off the back and I am placing it in there. It was actually really easy to use. I actually really liked how this turned out. And here we have the final result. And here is my little wooden box that I made into a little platform. I can do arrangements on top of it and have a secret compartment underneath to store things. Thank you for watching Mary's Menagerie. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.